Hey there! So now that everything's out in the open, I wanted to talk about what is actually being sold in each shop. So let's start off with Seeds and Memories. So with Seeds and Memories, I have these boards that are being sold, which is a 10 by 10 board, and then you get this massive letter and you can see that it has this nice shine. You know, these pictures are not going anywhere, they're staying where they're at, and this wood is already ready to hang. So I love these. I made a bunch for Mother's Day, so we have these. You also have an option of getting 2-letter initials with a little bit of longer board, same size of a letter, or same size of a letter but for 3 initials. But one of the last pieces is one of these boards, which is a smaller, it's much smaller compared to this. So you have 2 options with this. You have an option of just getting your pictures and it'll add that beautiful shine, or you can get something else that has wooden burnt letters on there. So this, so you can get one of these blank without the wooden letters, or one of those 3 pieces. Now, something else that is gonna come with every order, and eventually it is gonna be its own thing. Right now, I'm just testing it out to see how it goes. So I wanted you to see my before and after. Now, I tried these like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So this was my very first one. This is supposed to be seed paper, and the point of these, I know it's like, you're selling pictures and seeds and memories, hello, but the point of these is because you see we're using wood, and I love earth. Like, hello, I love to garden. If you've been following me for, I don't know, the past like 20 million years, you'd know that last year I started to garden and I loved it. This year not so much, because it's been hot and it's just not having it. But I do want to just share that we should all love earth, and that's honestly the point of it. I want to see you try something and see if it works. I'm not saying that these are gonna work, that's why they're freebies. So this was my first one. I may still send it out, but we'll see. Super thin, right? Well, these are the big boys. These are the big boys. You can't really see, this lighting is horrible, but look at that difference. First, you could tell like this has some body to it. This one looks like weak and flimsy. Look at that. Failure. Look at that much of it. It's like 3 times bigger. 1, 2, I don't even know. But yeah, so I have quite a few of these. So expect this in your orders. Now, I'm not saying they're perfect, because they're not. They're really not. But I did this all myself. I did everything with the paper. I put the paper, I shredded the paper. I did it all with the paper, okay? So these mean a lot to me. That's how you know I'm trying. But these are African daisies here. And then, let me show you. This is my first star, right? Right? This lighting is bad. This is so horrible. This is, my watch is telling me to breathe because of this lighting. You can just tell. This one looks like, bro, what is going on everywhere? This looks like an actual star. Like, look at the side. It's like not even full from the top. It's just not, it's not happening. This is lavender, and this one is Shasta daisy. I also have, I believe this is sweet pea or something, I don't know, but this is an actual flower. They're all flowers except for some that I did last night, which are herbs. But yeah, this is what's happening here. These are very timely, but with every order you are going to be getting your own. Like I said, eventually I will have them sit on their own, because that's what I do want. I want them to be its own thing. But right now it's the beginning, and I want you to see a little bit of everything. Eventually the shop is gonna just get bigger, so expect that. But for right now, I'm sticking to these letters, and the little wooden, I love this. This is so cute. I'm gonna make one for myself and my fiance right now. It's just, I'm so ready for it. But if you're very interested in any of these things, you already know 4th of July weekend, it's happening. I'm gonna be there, and we're just gonna have a good time, all right? Like, this is my first time ever doing a soft launch, and I'm doing it for 2 shops. But that's a problem for future me, you know? Like, current me, present me is like, girl, just do it.